Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So we have officially, as you can see behind me, finished the subfloor on our second floor. So we have all of our OSB down and we are ready to move on to framing our second floor walls. So pretty quickly, it's going to move a lot faster than the first floor. The first floor, we're getting back in the swing of things and kind of learning a few tips and tricks as we go along. So this second floor framing on all the walls should go really quickly, which is really exciting. So we'll move on to our framing and get our second floor walls up as fast as we can so that we can move on to the roof and sheathing and getting it all watertight in for the fall, which will be here before we know it. It's still hot right now. We're having, it's gonna be in the 90s every day this week. So it's gonna be a pretty warm weekend and a warm week up ahead, but we're making some good progress and I'll go ahead and show you guys around as we are done with our second subfloor and moving on to our second floor walls. So here it is. That last portion of the second floor is all complete, and you can see here's the corner. So this is where this corner will be the upstairs master bedroom and bathroom on this side. Gonna have a great view. It's a little cloudy and hazy over that way, so you can't see the mountains today very well, but this is the second floor, and this big open space is the opening for our stairway and our two-story entryway. So that's why there's no floor in that section, but everywhere else we are all done. You can see the cantilevers on this side as well. And we are moving on to framing. walls for our second floor. We've got here on the sheathing, we've got some red chalk lines so that we know where to place all of our walls when we go to start framing everything, so that we made sure that we're square and everything's lined up where it's supposed to go. So I'll show you here in a second what that looks like. But now that we have all of our walls marked out for where they're going, we can take the boom truck and lift up some lumber, place it up here so that it's up here and ready to use as we start framing. Probably not going to get to framing tonight, but we'll be all prepared so that tomorrow we can hit the ground running and start framing up our second floor wall. So I'll show you here what the chalk lines look like for marking out wall locations. So here's what I'm talking about with these red chalk lines. You can see here we've got one and here. So this is going to be our laundry room. So we've marked out where this wall goes. On the left side of the line is the hallway. On the right side is the laundry room. You can see this 2x6 wall for our plumbing. And then on the other side of it is our upstairs bathroom. We've got our lines here marking out that edge. And on this end, going into the upstairs master over there. And then we've got lines here marking out this upstairs bedroom and the closet for that bedroom. And then we've got the master closet marked out here and the toilet room marked out as well. So we've got all our walls marked on this side, and then on the far side we've got the walls marked out for the two bedrooms over here. And so now we're getting ready. Hear the boom truck in the background. We're getting ready to lift up some lumber for working with to bring up the second floor.
Give it all, we can work it out. You can move around and I'll quiet down. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. Give it all, we can work it out. You can move your mouth and I'll make the sounds. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. You held my hand, said I was better, took me to bed, then called your mother. Give it all, we can work it out. You can take it all, I won't make it sound. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it on. Tell me what you want, I'll be anything you need. Give me all your love, then take it back from me. Light that fire, walk away, 'cause you know me, say. Tell me what you want, I'll give you anything you need. Give it all, we can work it out. You can take it all, I won't make it sound. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it on. You held my hand, said I was better. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it. Tell me what you want, I'll be anything you need. Give me all your love, then take it back from me. Light that fire, walk away, 'cause you know me, say. Tell me what you want, I'll give you anything you need. I could never give it up. I could never give it up. I could never give it up. I could never